if you're noticing any water loss on your pool, it could be the skimmers, and in this case it is both the skimmers, and we are going to be replacing both of them, excavating all the way down to the bottom of the skimmer and redoing the entire thing. So we're pressure testing the suction line of both of the skimmers to ensure that there's no further leaks. A needle will drop if it's losing any pressure. Looks like we're good. Rebar enforcing the skimmer to the wall. The gravel up to about right here. The rest will be concrete to adhere the entire skimmer to the wall so it doesn't separate like these two did before.
Stuff they dig through, you know, and find like treasure. Jeez.
But we got a pretty good color going. Let it set up. See if the color is right. After it's all scanned and ready to go, I'm going to touch up the edges, filling up the pool right now. We're going to get this system back up and going and get this pool cleaning.